Hello makeup lover, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, hi, hello, nice to see you. My name is Malene and I am a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different light looks or day-friendly looks, day makeup looks, I pulled out this guy here, the Mothership III, also known as Subversive palette. I'm just gonna try and open it a little bit more. Here you go. And I wanted to show you that you can actually make some light, day-friendly looks using a Mothership. And I highly encourage you to do so because they are fun to play with, and you have 10 different colors and you can do so many different looks with these palettes. So if you want to get inspired and see how I did these two different looks, then keep watching because I will for sure show you. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, or you want to tell me if you actually pull out your Mothership on a daily basis to play with it and do some lighter looks, then please let me know in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It'll be awesome to have you join. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I'm going to start with a highlighting shade on my Builder Pro under my brows here. I dipped into the satin shade, the brown, and I'm just gonna tap it on here. I think I got a little bit too much, so I'm just gonna brush it off here in a makeup eraser so it doesn't get too heavy, because I do want this to be kind of discreet. So now the brush has been brushed off from color, and I'm just gonna go back and forth here with the shade I just put on. And by the way, I primed my eye area with the P. Louise. I think it's called Rumor, the color. Okay, I'm just gonna go back and forth in some circular motions here to blend out the color, because I do not want it to be heavy, since this is supposed to be a day-friendly look. When using this palette, I have a very hard time not digging into the night creature. So I dipped into the night creature and I'm putting it here on the outer part of my mobile eyelid. But I'm using my Builder Pro, and I did not put on any extra kind of intensifiers to make this super intense, because it's not supposed to be intense. I just wanted a hint of purple with this look. And I couldn't keep my fingers off another special shade. And I just dipped my ring finger into that, and I'm just putting it here on the inner part and mixing it into the night creature. I want to give this look an eyeliner, so I pulled out my Black Coffee liquid eyeliner, and I'm doing the horizontal line here. And then I'm going inwards. Just perfecting it. Brushed off the powder I had underneath my eye to catch the fallout. And now I'm going to go in with the brown satin shade with my flat definer brush. And I'm just gonna use that color as an eyeliner. For some, this will be a little bit too dark, but you can totally skip this step if you want to and just put on mascara instead of doing this. I felt it got a little bit too dark, so I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit here with my soft definer brush. Just blending the edges here, going back and forth, because I don't want it to be too dark for today's look. And this is the first eye look with a little bit of mascara on. I'm now going to go on to the next eye. For the second eye look, I dipped into the brown color with my Builder Pro, and this time it was just the dark brown that is not a satin or metal shade, so it's an all matte shade. And I am just stamping it on here in the outer part, mostly here in my transition area. And then I'm going to go a little bit back and forth and circular motions just to really blend it out. Dip my Builder Pro into the, I think it's called the Ghost Orchid. It's the one that is one of the special shades, and it's in the Mothership 2 and 3. And it's in the right lower corner. It's, for me, both the shades in both palettes are very hard pressed. So as you can see, it doesn't give out a lot of color. I'm going to see if I can make it more visible with my Builder S. Yeah, a little bit maybe. It has this white base and then it's just rosy pink. It's more or less like the highlighter from the highlighting trio. Dipped into the satin brown shade with my Builder Pro, and I'm just gonna stamp that on here in my outer part of the mobile eyelid, and I'm working like towards the middle of the eye. So it's not like straight down, it's going to the middle of the eye. And then I'm going to stamp a little bit here on the border just to diffuse the border. And I'm working it into the crease a little bit here, just on the outer part. Dip my Builder S into the purpley blue special shade next to the Ghost Orchid color, and it just to give this look a little more color, and I'm just putting it on here in the middle. Lower lid, the satin brown on the flat definer brush. And just to play a little bit with the look, I dipped my soft definer, I'm just checking, soft definer brush into the special shade that is the purple blue shade I put on the middle. And I'm just going to put that on the brown down here to transform it. And this is the second look with a little bit of mascara on. Because I felt that I had put on a lot of color and shimmer, I did not do an eyeliner, like a liquid eyeliner on the upper lid. I'm now going to zoom you out so you can see what the two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. And these are the two different looks with a full face of makeup. On my face as a foundation, I am wearing the Haus Labs foundation in the color 160. I also use the concealer slash corrector from Haus Labs in the color Peach. I bronzed up my face a little bit with the Nude Honey bronzer from Pat McGrath Labs. The blush is also from Pat McGrath Labs. It's the Electric Bloom. And on my lips, I am wearing the Luxe Trans Wrapped lipstick. And I put on a little bit of the special shade on top of that to make it a little bit more interesting. And yeah, for some people this might be a little bit too much because of the shimmers, the special shades. But for me, I feel like you don't have to go all naked looking on your eyes, like a no makeup look. You can have fun with the shadows, but on a lighter kind of level. So I hope you feel inspired to pull out your Mothership on a boring Wednesday or whatever, and not only use them when you're going to a party or if there's some special occasion. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, or you want to tell me if you do remember to pull out your Mothership on a daily basis, then let me know in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and you are up for so much more. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you soon again. Have an awesome day. Bye. Mwah.